The high-level committee formed by the President of the Republic to investigate the root cause of the Greater Jonglei conflict, headed by Vice President Dr. James Wani Iga, arrived Bor on Sunday on a peace mission to end the intercommunal conflict. Upon arrival, the committee proceeded to the State Secretariat, addressed a public rally on the government efforts to put an end to the conflict. Dr. James Wani Iga called on the communities to forgive each other.
Ya Junubin, kita kereta Jonglei. Ya Junubin, kita kereta Jonglei. Opada minisalatin pitana, nasa yaba pitana. Alaikum Allah ya Junubin, kolini na abu nafsu pitana ya Jumaa. Inta kan dusuman fi bet pitak, inta maamara pitak au maayat pitak, inta beperta mara wahid. Makalam de bonus, alam de bonus. Lazim intum ke abu nafsu pitak. Dunia kulu jede lakati kan wen, lakati rasa enak, lakati isai nakama. Narte abu mabat. Wana kanukuma fitarkum amulu ay gala lekum. Ana jai hini asan ana niaba ka naib rais pita SPLM o naib rais pita akuma pitana. Ana jai kitankum intum nas kullu pita Jonglei. Ana der alaikum Allah abu takonehna ka hukum.
The communities in Bor thanks President Salva Kiir Mayardit for forming the committee, which they hope will bring a lasting peace in the region. The conflict in Greater Jonglei was fled by child abduction, cattle raiding, and killing. General Daniel Awet Akot, Deputy Chairperson of the High-Level Committee, emphasized more on peace and unity of the communities of Greater Jonglei.
With a very large population and well-versed educated class, Jonglei, a Pantinan Kocho Kankum, Reutayagil.
The UNMISS head of field in Bor town, Deborah Sheikh, assured their commitment to support the high-level committee to end conflict and bring peaceful coexistence among the communities. She urged the government to protect the life of civilians in Jonglei and Pipor administrative area.
Committees addressing the recurrent cycles of violence between the communities. It is my hope that this distinct committee will be successful and the last constituted to address the scourge of revenge, killings, and retaliatory acts of violence between neighboring communities in Jonglei State and the greater Pipor administrative area. There is no debate that child abduction and cattle raiding is a crime. Perpetrators must be held accountable and not the communities.
Meanwhile, Bor youth leader Wal Alier appealed to the committee to investigate the conflict and restore peace among the communities. Although there is pandemic disease COVID-19 in the country, Vice President Dr. James Wani Iga and the accompanying delegation was warmly received by the community of Bor. The people of Greater Jonglei has been yearning for the lasting peace since the time of Anyanyawa. The communities here in Jonglei State hope the visit of the high-level committee formed by the President of the Republic, General Salva Kiir Mayardit, will bring an end to the intercommunal conflict between the communities of Greater Jonglei. Henry Jada John, SSBC News, Jonglei.